In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MetaTrader5 application. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Play Store and search for MT5 or MetaTrader5. Then you download the application and you install it on your phone. Immediately you download the application, you have something like this on your chart. Okay, so the very first thing you have to do is to log into a broker. And to log into a broker, you have to click on these three icon on the left. Okay, so as soon as you click on those icons, you have this pop-up notification, and when you tap on this particular zone, you can now log into your MetaTrader5. You can now select a broker that you want to log into. So you have to tap this plus sign here, a plus sign there, to give you options to look for broker. So here is the broker section. Okay, if you tap on this zone, you can now search for a particular broker that you want, or you can use any of the brokers available. So if you just want to create a quick demo account that you can just use to kickstart your MT5, you can just tap on this MetaCode Software Corp. As soon as you tap on that MetaCode Software Corp, it will pop out and give you a demo account that you can use temporarily. So once you do that, you now have your quote. So in your quote is where you find the list of pairs that you want to trade. Okay, so any particular pair that you want to trade, pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and the likes, any of them that you want to trade at all, you have to come to this zone and select it. So when you tap on this plus icon, you can add a new pair, and when you tap on this pencil icon, you can delete any pair you don't want. So you can add any pair. Maybe you can add like Euro USD. You can also search for the pair like Euro USD. Okay, so we have Euro USD, and as you can see from here, we have Euro USD added to our quotes. It has now been added to our quote. Okay, and if you want to delete any pair from your quote, you tap on the pencil icon, then you select this delete, tap on this delete button. After tapping on the edit pencil, then you can delete any pair that you don't want in your chart. Okay, you can delete any pair that you don't want in your charts. As you can see, I've deleted some pairs and we have just 4 pairs in our quotes. So the next place is your chart. So your chart is where you basically see the buying and selling price of the market. So the green bars that you can see here, the green bars, they are buy, they indicate buy, that the market is buying, and the red bars, they indicate that the market is selling. Okay, so at this particular zone is where you can switch from one pair to another. If you want to see the chart of another pair, maybe like Euro USD, GBP USD, you can just tap on that pair and it can appear there. So after selecting a pair, you can now click on this button to sell, or click on this button here to buy. And this is where you can adjust your lot size. If you want to use a higher lot size, maybe a lot size of 0.10, this is where you can select to change your lot size. And here is our crosshair, and it's our crosshair. So if you tap on the crosshair, you get the crosshair button, and you can use it to navigate through the screen and get any particular number, maybe you want to know the particular figure of a particular zone. You can just take your crosshair to that zone, maybe like here, this top here, and you can see from the chart, from the quote, is now showing you that that particular zone is 1.26502. so that's just the work of your releasing. So the next one is the next one here is your indicator icon. So if you want to add an indicator to your chart, you just click on it and you can add any indicator. So you have moving average, Bollinger Band, Ichimoku, moving average, and the like. So let's just select moving average. Okay, and we click done, and we have the moving average in our chart. As you can see, the moving average has appeared in our chart. We now have the moving average in our chart. So you can still go and delete the moving average by clicking on this delete button here. Click on the delete button and you select the moving average. and you delete it. So when you come back to the chart, you don't have the moving average anymore. The next button here, the next icon here is this M sign. If you tap on that M sign, you can now switch from any time frame you want. If you want to go to 15-minute time frame, if you want to go to 5-minute time frame, if you want to go to 1-minute time frame, any time frame at all that you want to go to, that's where you have to click to navigate to those time frame. And here is our buy or sell limit button. If you want to add a sell limit or a buy limit, that's where you have to click to get that. Then the next part of this app here is our trade. Okay, so on the trade zone is where you can find trades that are running. Whenever you've done your analysis, whenever you come to the chart, you've done your analysis and you place a trade, this is where you find those trades. Those trades will be running here. If the trade is in profit, it will show you that trade is in profit. If the trade is in loss, to show you that trade is in loss. So this is your withdraw and deposit button. Okay, so this is your buy and sell button also in your trade. Then the next one is your history. So when you get to history is where you find any trade that you've taken in the past. Any trade that you've taken in the past will show in the history. If you've been trading for that particular day, any trade that you close or any trade that you close will come and appear in this history section of the chart. So this is just basically where you find positions and orders that have been closed. So the next part here, if you tap on this zone, is where you can switch from any history. Maybe you want to go to past history, maybe today, like here is today, last week, last month, last 3 months, and if you want to customize your history, maybe you want to go to a particular date where you traded in the past, you can now click on that zone to go to previous histories. Okay, so the next one is messages. So this particular zone is not really interested, it's not really needed, but this is where basically we have or any message or any notification from your broker or from MT5 application itself. This is where they appear. So but this particular message zone is not really important. The most important zone is your quotes, your chart, your trade, and your history. So these are the 4 important zones that you need to understand in this chart. So guys, make sure you just dive into your MetaTrader5 application and start practicing how to use this app. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be posting more forex related materials that will help you stay profitable in the market. And also share this video with your friends. God bless you.